Hey everybody, welcome to Joe H. Moore Chevrolet. Today we're going to walk around this 2017 Chevy Volt. Not many of these out there. It's our only one. It's actually a very nice little sedan. So let me tell you about it. You got front parking sensors. You're also going to have rear parking sensors, so I'll show you back there. This one's got adaptive cruise control. Under the hood, you got your 1.5 liter four-cylinder. That paired with the electric motor gets you 294 pounds of torque. Plenty of power off the line. It's actually a very fun drive. Charging port right here. You've got blind spot monitoring in the mirrors here, so they're going to light up on each side. Keyless entry on all four doors. Beautiful aluminum rims. You've got remote start on the key fob, so you can start it up as well. Those rear parking sensors here. You can open up the trunk here. Get the little hatchback trunk, plenty of space inside. These seats do fold down flat in case you need more room. All right, now on the inside of this thing, we do have a beautiful black and brown leather interior. You have heated seats, power windows and mirror controls. You have manual seating because it's going to help save on battery. Power door locks and headlight controls automatically right here. On your steering wheel, cruise control settings right here, as well as your gap adjust for your forward collision alert and your adaptive cruise control. Heated steering wheel button, lane keep assist right here. You have two buttons here to scroll through your favorited stations. You can also skip songs using the back button, or using these two buttons here as well. You can hang up calls with your voice assistant right here. Touchpad to change the screen up front on your driver information center. So you see everything like your trips, your odometer, oil life, tire pressure is all going to show up here as well. Push button start right here. Climate control settings down here, heated seats up front. On your nice touchscreen radio, you have projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have your regular Bluetooth, AM, FM radio, all the information about the energy and kind of like your battery level, everything right there. Even set up things for your charging. Nice shifter, electronic parking brake. You have your mode selector right here. You can turn off your parking assist, your sensors, so they don't beep at you. This button is actually going to park the car for you, to parallel park or horizontally park. A little bit of storage inside here. You have a wireless phone charger in here as well. For the rear two seats, they have two cup holders here, cigarette lighter plug-in to charge their devices, foldable armrest, and these two seats are heated as well. You also have OnStar's connected services up here, and then when you put the Volt in reverse, your backup camera automatically pops up. This line is going to guide you into your parking spot. You have a visual warning here if you get too close, warnings up here to tell you exactly how far away you are from something, and then the audible beep as well. So if you're looking for a beautiful hybrid vehicle like this that's going to get 42 miles per gallon, coming down to Joe H. Moore Chevrolet, located at 10979 Atlantic Boulevard. Come aside, ask for Cody, and we can take this Volt for a drive.